It's so early in the morning, the show must go on. Here we are taking a little video of the transformation taking place in the backyard, all happening at once this week. We're having the pool redone. We've only been waiting like 8 months. They're here. And we're having a new paver deck installed in the back. Here it is. It gets worse before it gets better. Well, folks, here we are a couple days later. It's Wednesday, and I'm having a few guests over on Friday, and there's still a few things that need to be done, but I wanted to give you an update on my backyard progress. Here we go. We still have our pump going. Oh boy. We need some water in that pool soon. Okay, but we did get our pavers in. So far, so good. Looking pretty good, actually. So, I'm real happy. Pasco County's only been out here once. So, stay tuned, folks. You know, it's really crunch time here. I don't know how I get myself into these things, but I'm having a few folks over this afternoon. I'm entertaining, and this is what we're up against. That pump has been in my backyard for 3 weeks. I'm ready to go remodel the pool company's office with a chainsaw. So here we are. It's almost 10 o'clock, and you know what I know. Hopefully, we'll get some water in here soon and get rid of that pump. And yes, folks, there is a happy ending. Here we are, water in the pool. Yay!